Hey guys, this is Gary, and I'm back at you with another episode. If you don't already know, I'm a Karatbars International VIP affiliate. If you're looking at this for the first time, you are at the right place at the right time. I cannot deny that. And if you are already a Karatbars affiliate, you know things are just gotten even better. We have rolled out the multi packages, and I'm going to take my time to go over this with you guys. I won't be discussing pricing. All that information can be found in your back office. And with the multi packages, I like to say multi stand for multiply because you're going to multiply your money. That's what it's all about. Here with the multi packages, it's seven key components. I got six listed here. I'll tell you about the seventh one. With the seven key components, one of the first main components is the E points. The E points are points I like to call like electronic bucks or E bucks that accumulate. And the purpose for that, Karatbars decided to allow us to be positioned to get free K1 Impulse voice over blockchain phones. Yes, K1 Impulse voice over blockchain phones. You can actually build and share this opportunity to accumulate enough points to get a phone for free. You can also get a WIM voice over blockchain laptop. And it gets even better. You can even get a cash gold exchange machine. And if you don't know what that is, that's just an ATM that disperses pure 999.9 24 karat gold bullion cash gold. You can actually earn that for free if you share the opportunity and you accumulate enough points. How many points you need? Well, for the K1 Impulse phone, you need 5,000 points. And for the WIM laptop, you need 8,000 points. And for the Cash Gold Exchange Machine, you need 25,000 points. Now, if you get 5,000 points, you don't have to get a K1 Impulse phone. You can just let it accumulate until you get past the WIM and get all the way to a Cash Gold Exchange Machine if you want. You're not forced to get any one particular product. And you can even hold on to your E points for any other product that Karatbars offer in the future. That's simply amazing. Outside of the E points, there are different ways that you could get E points. You could get E points in your package. When you get a multi package, you get E points, but you also get E points when you share the opportunity and other people get a package. So you doubling up and you're accumulating more E points. The only thing with the E points and with your package is that you will only get E points from your package that you get and people who get a package that's at your level or smaller. And what I mean by that is, let's say you got a silver package, a multi package. And if you got a silver multi package, if someone else that you share the opportunity with and they got a silver multi package, you'll get E points from that. But if they get a gold multi package or a VIP multi package, you won't get E points from that. Only at your level, which is silver or lower. So it'll be silver or bronze, which you can get E points from. So that's why I say go for VIP. VIP is the place to be. If you get a VIP package, by all means, you'll get compensated for every package that comes through your team. Now, with the multi package, those who are in Karatbars are familiar with our profit cards. Our profit cards is our discount code that allows you to offer a discount to either yourself or other people that you're sharing an opportunity with that wants to get a package. They could get a discount on their package. And also, if you're not familiar with it, we have the Karat Globe. With the Karat Globe, with the multi package, you're getting credit, which is a voucher towards advertisement and what I like to call the Karatbars Yellow Pages. That's where if you have a business, you can offer, like if you do hair or you have a daycare or a construction company, you can actually advertise in the Karatbars, Yellow Pages, which is called the Karat Globe, your business and do business that way. Also, you get a status with the multi package. With the multi package, you get a status of bronze, silver, gold, VIP, and it starts with the multi package number 2. In multi-package number 1, there is no status designation, but multi-package 2 and 3, you get a bronze status. Multi-package 4, you get a silver status. Multi-package 5, you get a gold status. And multi-package 6 and 7, you get a VIP status. Now, also with your status, if you are already in Karatbars, or say you got a status of bronze, if you wanted to upgrade, you can upgrade whether you are already in Karatbars or not. You can get a multi package of a higher status and upgrade to that status, and you don't lose that status. So if you are silver and you want to go get a gold multi package, and you'll be have a gold status, and you'll the benefit of that is the higher you go in your status, the greater the income that you can make. The greater the commissions, the greater the cycle bonuses that you could get, and the greater points that you'll get, and so on and so forth. So the higher you go, the better it is off for you. Now, you also get to benefit with the dual team bonus. With the dual team bonus, that's the units that you accumulate. Each package come with units. If you're already in Karatbars, you're familiar with the dual team payout and the units with the bronze, silver, gold, and VIP. They come with different units. And in this case, they range from 1 unit all the way up to 200 units, depending on what package you get. So look at the fine details in the actual package that you would like to get, and all the information will be broken down as far as how much it costs, how many points you accumulate, and so on and so forth. You also get the matching bonus option. Now, the matching bonus option actually starts at package number 4. So package number 1, 2, and 3, you don't get a matching bonus option, but 4 and higher, you get the matching bonus. And it's qualifications other than just getting the package. You have to actually, have a minimum amount of sales, for that duration of that month in order to get the matching bonus. And when I did the math to keep it simple, because you guys know I like to keep it simple, that whatever package you get in that month, you have to at least sponsor, the person that gets the same exact package or higher. That'll qualify you. And it's just one person that get the same exact status or higher, and you'll qualify for the matching bonus. If you don't qualify for the matching bonus, you still qualify for all the other benefits and perks that comes with getting the multi package. And if you don't get someone that is of the same status as you, then also I did the math where if you get, say, 2 people that's a status 1 level lower than you, you'll also have accumulated enough points to qualify for the matching bonuses for that duration. And there's a different duration depending on what package you get. If you a package 7, you're good for a matching bonus for a full 12 months. Yes, that's right, a full 12-month matching bonus if you get package number 7. If you get package number 6, it's an entire 6 months. It just don't get no better. So VIP is the place to be. That's packages 6 and 7. And you get cash gold, guys. You get cash gold. That's a tier 1 asset. That's an asset that keeps growing and appreciating in value. Karatbars is giving you so much for so little. They putting you in position to really change the game. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to give a little diagram, create a little diagram so you can go over a couple of scenarios to illustrate this even further, to make it much clearer. Okay, now let's say you got yourself say a multi-package 3. You got your multi-package 3. Now a multi-package 3, all these components will apply. You'll get a status of bronze for a multi-package 3. It's going to give you some E points for getting that package. It's going to give you give the person that sponsors you some units. There's units attached to that package as well. So you're going to get a lot just by getting that package. Now, as I was telling you about, depending on what package when you share the opportunity and what another person get going to determine if you qualify to get additional E points. So if this person comes in and they get the same package, a multi-package number 3, then you're going to get some more E points. And this is you. So you're going to get E points because you got your package. You're going to get E points because a person got the same package or lower that you shared the opportunity with. You're going to get some more E points that's going to help accumulate to get you a voice over blockchain phone or a voice over blockchain laptop or a cash gold exchange machine. Now, you also going to get a commission, 10% commission for directly sponsoring this person. And if you're familiar with the compensation plan, if you're already a Karatbars affiliate, it's 10, 3, and 2. The directly sponsored person, 10%, second level person, 3%, then 2%. Depending on what package you are. Now, if you get this person, if you sponsor another person, let's say, I'm just going to make this a different color because this is a different package. And let's say gold, you won't get E points because this person has a package that's higher than your package. You understand? So you won't get the E points because you're a bronze and they're a gold, but you will get the direct commission. So don't forget that you will get the direct commission, and there's units attached to this as well that goes and accumulates towards your cycles and a dual team payout. So don't get confused. Even though you don't get the E points because they got a package higher, you still get something for this. So in order to benefit from the E points, as I said before, you would have had to got a gold package or a VIP package in order to get the E points from this person who got the gold package. So you have to get a package that's of equal or greater value than the people that you are sharing an opportunity with in order to be compensated on all the levels at your level and lower. So by far, as I said before, VIP is the place to be. Hands down, you win. Now I also want to point out that say your sponsor someone, since most people are familiar with the dual team payout, I gotta point this out. If your sponsor sponsors someone, and let's say that person in a sense fell under this person that you sponsored, or you got spillover, this won't count towards your E points. The E points don't flow to you from spillover. E points only flow to you from your direct lineage. So if you sponsor someone, that's your direct lineage. If they sponsor someone, that's your direct lineage. And if that second person sponsors someone, anybody that's directly, no spillover, anybody that's directly in your uni level, in your direct lineage, is what accumulates your E points. But with the spillover, that does add to your units for your cycles. Okay? So just keep that in mind. So the multi-packages allow you to, let me put it this way. What I love about the multi-packages, it allows you to get your E points, it allows you to get your units, it allows you to get commissions, all by getting a multi-package. You are entitled to all this. So in this case, you get your 10% commission, and if this person wasn't by your sponsor and they were sponsored by this person, you'll get commission off of that. So you sponsor this person, you get commission. This person sponsored this person, you get commission. This person sponsored this person, you get commission. You see that? You just get commissions irregardless because of the payout system that Karatbars offer. So I think that covers everything, all the different scenarios. Guys, if by all means, if you have questions, I created a Garage Full of Gold Facebook group. It's a private group for all Karatbars affiliates. You don't have to be sponsored by me. You know, it's all for all Karatbars affiliates. You don't have to be directly on my team. Go look at the information below. It tells you how to join my group so we could be connected and you can get up-to-date information. I know it's people out there, you know, because Karatbars is it's not huge yet, so we're trying to come together as a community and help one another because we're international, you know, and we're growing, but we don't have people everywhere just yet that can help everybody. So we're trying to have, you know, places that you can go where you can get help and support, get your questions answered. So by all means, go to my Garage Full of Gold group. It's a private group in which you could get up-to-date information, get announcements about our trainings, you know, our meeting calls, different tactics and strategies that we use to help share the opportunity. By all means, go to Garage Full of Gold Facebook group. And if you know, was sent to this video by someone, by all means, get back to that person so they can get all your questions answered and get you started. If you don't have a sponsor, you're looking for a sponsor, my information is below. You can reach out to me and you can get registered for your free account. It's just that simple. Karatbars is a gold acquisition company. It's an e-commerce company that allows you to accumulate and acquire gold in small, friendly transactional amounts. I like to keep it so simple. If I had to paint a picture, guys, it's just like you have your local bank. Wherever you at in the world, you have some type of local bank. And you want to go ahead and you want to take your son, you take your daughter down to open up a savings account. And what they're going to do, they're going to save their fiat, local fiat currency. The only difference is instead of going down there and taking your child to open up a savings account to put depreciating paper currency in, Karatbars is allowing you to open up a free savings account to put gold in. It's as simple as that. So you're allowed to save gold with Karatbars, and they have other ways in which you could generate income, which is through the multi-packages and other opportunities that we have. It's as simple as that. You can create wealth by having a tier 1 asset, an asset that is not taxed, an asset that is considered money and has a store of value that can be used anywhere in the world and accepted anywhere in the world. It gets no better than that. That's why I said if you're looking at this for the first time, you're at the right place at the right time. Get back to the person that showed you this video, or get in touch with me, or go to my Garage Full of Gold group and join in, guys. Join in. Hopefully this was helpful describing the multi packages. You know, I try to bring you guys value added content because it's about helping one another. I come from the heart. I come in love in order to, you know, help us grow together. Together, everyone achieves more. Well, that's my time. If you have any more questions, by all means, get in touch with me. And you know how, like I always say, take care of yourself and each other. Bye-bye.